Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I will discuss you in my poem The House of the Clay অর্থাৎ বাংলায় মাটির ঘর কবিতাটি। In a small houses, in a small you will be alone. To the left of the right, all around, the soil is seen by you. At the end of the day, the rising floods, the house will be blind. Look at it, you will look. Who will get the partner to be overwhelmed by the pressure of soil? The bones will break. In the dark of the serpent, in the dark, you will understand the pain. By hand in the wealth of another, if the world is rich, the fire hugs you, would say that he loved and pulled it closer. The hands of the eggplant are soaked in oil. Large clan, a small clan, all of the strongly furnished, all the hard. The house of the field will find peace, laughing good deeds.